our Python series. Today, going to learn about the topic of print function. Before entering into the video, I would like to share one thing that is, if you haven't seen day 1 and day 2 of Python series, no worries. I have added the links in the description below. Make sure to check it them out before or after the video. Okay. Now entering the video, today I would like to tell about the print function in Python. Okay. First of all, we can see here code and a markdown. The code means we write the Python language of the code. But in the markdown means markdown is nothing but the side headings. We should write side headings like a print function in Python like that. These are the used for the side headings. Markdown is used for the side heading. Here we can see shift hash space. We should give the space after the hash, then write the print function. Print function in Python. Now, sorry, stop print function in Python. Now control enter. The side heading is too large, so I will decrease the size of this side heading. So add two hashes here and control enter. This is the side heading. First print function in Python. Simply we write, press the code, changes it into the Python language. Simply we write print bracket open double quotes hello world, right? Then press after the every code we should press the control enter. The output is hello world. What's the difference between the printf in Python and the print in Python and printf in C language? I will tell the difference both of the languages. Here, print in Python language is the higher level and simple, automatically handles the different data types like strings, floats, numbers, or integers, has built-in features like separator and line ending. Okay. In C language, printf function uses the low level and manual. Okay. You must use in that printf function like a percent %d, percent %s, percent %f, like a string, integer, and floats. Here we cannot use like percent %s, percent %d, percent %f. We should use normal in a simple way. It is understand like English language. How the English language like that the Python also understand. And features of the Python and C programming, what differs is easy to use, like very easy in Python, print function. In C language, printf function requires formatting knowledge. Type handling is automatic in Python and in C manual. Use format specifiers for every printf function. Okay, here no use. Okay, it it has a features in Python is sep, like separator, line ending, file, flush. In further videos we should learn about the file and flush also. In this video we should learn only the sep and end. Here sep is a separator and is the line ending. Okay, there is no features in C. Okay, Next one is we should write in single quotes also. It takes both the double quotes and single quotes also in the Python language. But in case of C language, it only takes the double quotes. Okay, now print single quotes hello world, control enter. The output is hello world separates. It separates the space in between these words, two words. Okay, next I should write like this also, like a print double quotes hello comma space double quotes world comma space double quotes python. If you give the space in between these words, the output always gives the space between two or three words. If you cannot give the space between these words, the output will give the space between those words. Okay, suppose control enter. Here space is there. If you're not giving the space, see, I'm removing the space in between these words, and now enter the control enter. The output gives the space, that is white space. It takes the white space and gives the white space, or it cannot takes the white space and gives the white space. Okay, in this print function, the first one is marked down. I will mark hash triple hash space space. First one is object. I will take star object. Enter enter. Okay, object object. Okay, now code. The code is same code here, the same this code and here also, but in the case we use separate. In this hello world python, we should not separate the words with space. We should separate these words with a space. In this object, we should separate the this print function by using the semicolon. Now see here, comma, sub. Here sub is the separator between the words, semicolon. Okay, control enter. See hello semicolon world semicolon python. This is the separator, how the separator is uses in this print. And now we should separate the names of the persons and separate them as and. Okay, now print double quotes Satya. We'll take double quotes. Okay, you should take single quotes also, but I will take double quotes. Satya, comma, Anjana, comma, and then double quotes Valli. Okay, we'll separate this. In between these names, I will keep the and. So set equal to single quotes space and space. Okay, control and see how the separator works. Satya and Anjana and Valli. The output is Satya and Anjana and Valli. Here separator separates the every name, okay, name of a person. Now the second thing is I will take the markdown now. I want to take markdown to develop a side heading. So second heading is separate objects using separator. So here separator will control enter. I want to highlight this separator, so I will double tap this and add stars, two stars before the separator and after the separate. Next control enter. The sub is highlighting. This is the one, and in this we should write the code. Okay, the separate the object using sub. Here we should write the code and the output should be in line by line. Okay, print hello, enter, print world. So sorry, single quotes, control enter. The output should be in line by line. Hello world. Okay, now in this in C language we should keep the backslash n to output as line by line, but in Python we should write line by line. Okay, we can use the separator to separate the sentences line by line. Back next step I will write C print hello comma separate the sentence with backslash n. Okay, print world. Now control enter. See hello world. We use separate in both prints. In the next step, see print hello space sub equal to hyphen. Here in case of sub we can use and also, that is line ending. Okay, next line also same. Okay, comma space and equal to single quote space. Okay, and the next line print single quote Python. Now control enter. See hello hyphen world Python. Okay, like this. In this and or the separator, we here and the separator as the parameters. We should use here hyphen or space, blank space or backslash and or symbol. Here or symbol is like this. Th- This is the or symbol. We should use this also. And the third one is markdown side heading, splash. Third one is by default each print statement ends with backslash and, okay, we can change it using and, okay, here hand is highlighting double star. Previously I said the how the and is working here. Now in this it should write some code. By default each print statements end with backslashing by default. Okay, now import sys, enter, print double quotes hello comma space single quotes world comma file. Previously I said file. What is file? Okay, now equal to sys dot stdout. Okay, now see, it takes both double quotes and the single quotes also. Here in Python, comments are writing like a hash. Comments should be write in hash. Okay, here sys stands for system, and then std stands for standard, and then out stands for output. These are the comments in the Python. Here sys means system, std means standard, out means output. Okay, then control enter. The output should be hello world. I said that both double quotes and single quotes except the Python. So it gives the output is hello world. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, please do click the bell icon for now. Thank you for watching.